For proper context, proper understanding, let's see how we can actually give a proper explanation to what a void contract is, what a voidable contract is, and what an unenforceable contract means. Let's get right into it. So when we talk about a void contract, we're talking about a contract that is illegal from the beginning. The law people will call it ab initio. From the very beginning, it is invalid. It is illegal. The law does not recognize it. It does not have the force of law. There is no backing anywhere for you to say that, yes, this actually is a contract that is existing in the eye of the law. Okay? But when we talk about a voidable contract, from the beginning, it is valid. From the beginning, you cannot look at it and say, yes, this contract is illegal. No, it is valid. But there is possibility that you can void it. There is possibility that the law will no longer acknowledge it at some point. At that point, you look at it, it is called a voidable contract. Why? Maybe because you have now, in the course of the dealings between the parties, you now realize that, this is not the party. You now begin to have identity issues. You now begin to have fraud issues, mistake issues, misrepresentation issues. At that point, either of the party can actually void it. That makes it a voidable contract. Well, an unenforceable contract is that you have looked at it, all the valid ingredients that should make a binding contract, they are all present there. But you just cannot execute this contract. You can't enforce it. You can't make the contract go through. Why? Because maybe parties have acted in an unconscionable way. They have acted in a manner that, this person no get conscience. So, a reasonable person is not expected to behave in this manner. This person wants to cheat the other person out of what is due the other person. At such a point, say, no. We cannot enforce this contract. That makes the contract unenforceable. Okay? We are considering some things. People that will get affected. Interest that will be affected. And you say, no. We take this bad. We can enforce it. This is Eviola SSC. I'll bring you premium legal tips to help you make informed decision. Live informed life and discover the best version of yourself. We'll see you.